Unlock your video potential like never before with the revolutionary Deepseek for Video app, where AI transforms your creative process. Let's dive into the intuitive interface of Deepseek for Video. Upon opening the app, you're greeted with a clean dashboard that categorizes its powerful AI-driven features. We have distinct sections for editing, creation, and analysis, ensuring you can quickly find the tool you need. First, let's explore the enhanced editing capabilities. Import your footage seamlessly across various formats. Once loaded, you'll notice iPod tools directly integrated. For instance, selecting a clip brings up options for intelligent scene detection and automatic color correction, saving you hours of manual tweaking. Need to refine your cuts? The AI can suggest optimal scene transitions or even automatically remove silences and filler words from your audio, leaving you with a polished, professional output effortlessly. Moving to the creation suite, Deepseek for Video empowers you to generate video content from scratch or enhance existing projects. Explore a library of AI-generated templates, or let the AI assist in generating raw footage and background music tailored to your video's theme. Simply input your script or keywords and watch as the AI crafts storyboards, suggests visuals, and even composes thematic soundtracks, accelerating the ideation and production phases. But Deepseek for Video doesn't stop at creation and editing. It offers robust AI analysis. Upload your completed video, and the AI can provide insights into audience engagement metrics, sentiment analysis of spoken content, and even identify key objects and faces within your footage. This intelligence helps you understand what resonates with your viewers, enabling you to refine your strategy and create more impactful content in the future. Deepseek for Video is your Al-Anon AI co-pilot for video, streamlining your workflow and unlocking unprecedented creative possibilities.